Hello, I'm Sheen, and this is painting Warhammer 40k Myphitic Blight Howler. And this time already parade ready to have a result like this. And we'll start from painting flesh. So we'll take base record flesh and paint highlighted apex places like this. Okay, now we are taking shade, Rakeland Flesh Shade, and we'll shade that what we painted. Okay, now we'll use base Screamer Pink and we'll use it on this part. I know that we painted it previously with Record Flash, but this was because of Battle Ready, and we just wanted to have this part painted. If someone want only Battle Ready, but now we are painting Parade Ready, so we are changing colors. Also this part's here. Okay. Sorry, not okay. Also here. Okay. Now we'll take base Mephiston red, but it's very important that I have mixed it with water, so it looks like more purple. It's similar to Screamer Pink, to be honest, but it's different. And we'll paint places like these vines. If you don't want to mix Mephiston red, you can use Screamer Pink, but use a lot of water. Mix it with a lot of water. Okay. Now we're taking shade Druchii Violet and shade this. Okay. Oh, not okay. Also this. And this. And now we use a base Averland Sunset, and we and this. I'm not sure how they are. What is the name of them in English? Okay, and this will be everything for today. Yeah, so this will be all for today. Today, as you would see, we just painted flesh. And probably in the next video we'll finish whole miniature. Yeah, but for today this will be all. Thank you for watching. If you like this, comment like below. If you want more, just subscribe channel and see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.